All right, guys, how was your weekend? Hope you guys had a nice weekend. We're finally back on the charts. This is the 15th of July 2024. We're going to see what's happening on the charts. Let me look at some comments. Remember, if you want to get free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me a trial on Telegram. The link is in description below. If you have any peers you want free analysis on or for, or have any other questions, put that in the chat comments and I'll get to the chat comments very soon. I'll start with this. And also, if you want to get the hedging course for free, message me hedging on Telegram, link also in description below. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 members. We're up over 7,000 members now. And yeah, we're trying to get to 10,000 members before the end of 2024. Like I said, if you want to get the free hedging course where I teach you how to hedge out your trades, not that nonsense you see all over everywhere where you use 1, 2, 4s, 8s, keep doubling your lot size till the account grows. We're talking about using proper lot size, not needing to double your lot size all the time, knowing where to buy, knowing where to sell, so that you stop using stop loss. Stop loss is just going to wipe out your account, destroy your account, and make you lose all the profit that you've made. Hedging is what the people who are trading in billions use, who are trading in hundreds of millions use for their hedging. If you hear what the hedge fund is, it's not the stop loss fund, it's a hedge fund. So I'll teach you how to hedge. You get into the hedging class, and yeah, everything will be for software that will help you with all the analysis. So hopefully you can hear me well. If you can't hear me well, let me know also in the comment section. Hello Asian Creative, hello Village Life. It's afternoon here, or Justin Bieber. But thanks. So gold, yes, we're gonna do Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and yes, XAU USD gold today. If you have any other pairs, put that in the comment section and we'll also look at it. Hello James Gold. Yes, we will do XAUUSD, don't worry about it. We will do GBPUSD also, don't worry about it. We will do the analysis and we'll see if there are any opportunities for buy, sell, or just basic analysis. Let's see. Also, if you want to get the scalping course, go to hedgingmastermind.com, link in description also. Hello, our creation. They said, what tools? Let me see. What tools do you use for trading? I use my own software. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use indicators. I don't use moving average. I don't use Bollinger Band because they can only predict the past. They can never predict the future. They are only a calculation of what has happened in the past and put into different rainbow colors. So my software tells me when to buy, when to sell, where to exit my trade, where to hedge my trade, when the trend has changed, both long term and short term, the current trend of the, and many more. So yeah, it comes free with the hedging course, or when you get the full course, which is a scalping, hedging, everything course, it comes free with it also. You said gold sell buy. When we do gold analysis, we'll find out. You said hi. Remember the last gold analysis is still running in profits that I did. Let's see. Hi, Smart King. Sir, please BTC look. We'll look at BTC after gold. Sorry about that. We'll look at BTC after gold. You said, what is a scalping? Let me see. What is a scalping strategy? A scalping strategy is the strategy that you have in the markets where you can look at the lower time frames. Okay, it can be 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, some people, and you're able to take quick profits from the markets. You don't need to hold for days or hours, just quick. For me, my own is in 5 minutes maximum, 5 minutes or less. It can be in less than 1 minute, it can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but the market's 5 minutes maximum is my scalping strategy. If you watch my videos, I actually have a video that is going to be uploaded in the next 3 hours, give or take. And yeah, it shows one of my scalping system. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Is there BTC going to the moon? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll do the BTC analysis. One minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, 1 minute. You said BTC to the moon, BTC to the moon. 1 minute, guys. You said Euro JPY. Okay, You know what? We've started adding more on the list. So let me just put it on the list. Let me put it somewhere. So we have BTC. Then we have Euro JPY. So I'll do Euro JPY after USDJPY and GBPJPY. USDJPY, GBPJPY, then we'll have Euro JPY, and then we'll have XAUUSD. All right. So that's how we're going to do it. If you have more peers, put that in the comment section also. You said, can you explain what hedging means? Hedging is, for example, if you find yourself in a loss, you end up trying to make profit to cover that loss. So if you're losing a trade and it's going into $100 loss, you find a way to make $100 profit in order to cover that loss, so it comes out at break even. But the way I do it, it's like that, but sometimes you can even come out with profits. And most people, what they tend to do is if they buy with one, they sell with two, they buy with two, they sell with four, so they keep on doubling their lot size, and they don't realize that that is reducing their margin, and before you know it, they blow their account. We don't do that. We're not always increasing our lot size. They are just simple things we look at in the market. We're not using moving averages, support and resistance, all those nonsense. And yeah, in the course, I'll teach you how to be able to make profit to cover any loss, how to be able to stop your loss from increasing, how to be able to use proper risk management so you don't blow your account while you're hedging. So all that will be taught in the free hedging course. Just have to message me hedging on Telegram, link in description below. How to hedge when there is news, that will be taught also. Doesn't matter if there's news or not, you will be taught how to hold your loss so that your loss doesn't increase. So if there's anything like news, NFP, whatever, it won't matter. You'll be able to go through all that. You'll be able to go through all that pain without blowing your account. Just 1 minute. Where were we? I had an alarm ring at the wrong time, so I'm trying to set it at the right time. That's why I actually started the stream late. Let's see. 1 minute, guys. I'll be right back. So where were we? Remember to join the free VIP group on Telegram. Like I said, we're trying to get to 10,000 members before the end of 2024. At least 10,000 members. And yeah, we're up over 7,000 for now. Let's see. So share the Telegram group, get more people to join. You have a lot of free things to get in the group that will benefit you a lot and can also benefit others a lot. You said, hi, sir, today's gold trade. Yes, today's on the list of peers we'll be looking at. You said, please look at gold. Yes, we will look at gold. Why is it important to manage risk in trading? So you don't blow your account. It's very important. So you don't blow your account. Okay. I accidentally deleted someone's comment. How do I why do I put the comment back? Let's see. Accidentally deleted someone's comments. How do you balance trading and other financial? But I can still see the person's comments. Mr. R, I didn't mean to delete your comment. It was an accident. I'll still answer your questions because I can still see it. So there you are. I will read your comment. You say, what do you look for in a good trade? High risk reward ratio. I think you've asked this before. You said BTC going to 64,000. It may go to even over 64,000. It may go to 70,000, 80,000, 90,000 before the end of this year. Okay, I remember when I gave a BTC signal at the beginning of the year, it was around 40 something thousand. If you had bought when I say you should buy, no matter how low it goes this year, you will still be in profit. So I'm just going to answer a few more questions and then we'll drop into let's see, we'll jump into some analysis and then I'll be right back. So BTC, we'll get into BTC after we're done with the foreign exchange pairs. Gold is on the list. You said, sir, your analysis is good. Thank you. You said, I am holding XAUUSD order. Okay. Why are you holding it? Explain more in the comments and I'll have more context because I don't understand where you're coming from. You say, how do you use Bollinger? I don't use Bollinger Bands. It's nonsense. It doesn't work. I don't use indicators. Said gold buy. Okay, a few more comments, then we'll start. XAUUSD sell. We'll look at that also. GBPAUD. All right, so let's add GBPAUD to our list of pairs for our analysis. We'll do that after EURUJPY, GBPAUD. Let's see, we'll do that after EURUJPY. We have a lot of pairs today. He said, what is a head and shoulders pattern? It's a nonsense that people believe works. They believe that if they start to see shapes in the market that looks like a head and shoulders, maybe the markets will buy or sell. It's just nonsense and doesn't work all the time because you are dealing with the currencies of a country. Would you do that with the currency of your country if you are going to the markets? So why are you doing that on your chart? It's just ridiculous. You say, hello, Smart King. You're a Smart King for being on this live stream. He said, BTC look. How do interest rates attract? Wait a minute. This is a fundamental. How do interest rates affect the attractiveness of gold as an investment? I just trade gold. I don't invest in gold like on the foreign exchange charts. If I want to buy gold, I buy it and keep it in case I want to sell it later. In case I want to buy some things, then I'll sell it later. Brother gold, please look at that. Can you explain the concept of risk to reward ratio? Risk to reward ratio is it's a way that helps you judge your trade. For example, if you want to take a risk, you have to know that, okay, you can escape from this risk, which is what I do by hedging. And you have to know that, okay, is the risk worth it? For example, if you're trying to make $50 and you're risking about $150 to make that $50, then that's a crazy, not smart risk to reward ratio. Because why are you taking such a big risk to make so little? Unless you're scalping, right? And it helps you judge if you should take the trade or not, especially depending on your account balance, and especially if you are using something like stop loss. If you are hedging, it doesn't really matter, okay, because no matter how bad it is, you just hedge out of the trade. And this is always my issues with people. Even if you want to take signals, you want to use any strategy, if you are using stop loss, it's always going to be against you. If you are using hedging, it's always going to be for you, okay? So let's just do some analysis with rambling for a while. So let's start with EURUSD. EURUSD. Let's get into it. Yaki. Let's go. So we can see EURUSD is still showing a bullish pattern. From here, we've been analyzing it. We've been saying if it breaks this point, we can expect it to go all the way up here, because here is a consolidation zone. We reach that consolidation zone, we push back down, and it seems like it wants to start escaping that consolidation zone. It does look like it's escaping the consolidation zone. However, we do not have a good trade on it. We could buy, but it's not going to go up that long, okay? And what we have to actually watch for if we want to take a trade is we need to see continuation of this by tomorrow, not today. Because if we see continuation of this by tomorrow, then it's possible for us to take a buy trade, because this may be a false breakout. right? Remember, we're in a consolidation. A consolidation is prone to false breakout, or is prone to an actual breakout. So you have to wait and be patient. Okay, from experience, from my course, you would know this. You would wait till tomorrow, and then we can start looking for buys, safe buys, all the way up to 1.1, right? Which is about, let's see, 95 pips away. And you'll probably be risking something low. So you're going to have like 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, worst case scenario, 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is a good case scenario. So we just have to be patient and wait. Tomorrow, then we will see. Because after tomorrow, it might just be a false breakout, triggering people into taking buys. And once it's done, we push back into the consolidation. So what matters is tomorrow, not what we're seeing today. Today, they are setting the traps. They are setting up dumb money to, take trades. And if they have enough people buying, then they'll go back into their consolidation to make them lose, wipe out people's stop losses here, stop losses here. And if they have anything further down there, and if they are not using a stop loss, it's going to put them in gigantic loss. Okay, so that's how the market works. And yeah, we just have to wait till tomorrow. For now, I expect it to continue to go bullish until, let's say, maximum 1.0925, around that area. And then I expect a drop. Okay, the question is, will it continue to rise tomorrow? If it does, then we have a trade on our hand, boys and ladies and gentlemen. But for now, it's just speculation. Now, let's move on to GBP USD. However, before we move on to GBP USD, let us look at some comments. Gold. Yes, we will get to gold. Everyone is so obsessed with gold every single time. Every single time. Is it the amount of pips that it has? Is that what you're trying to take advantage of? Let's move on. Let's see. Euro USD analysis. We just did that. You're welcome. You said, what is a trading journal and how to use? I think you've asked this before. Let's see. Yes, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you like, click all the notification bells on. Okay, so that let's see. Click all the notification bells so that you don't miss live streams like this. Okay, and you can catch on and ask questions during the live stream on any pair you want and any other questions. Hi, Mr. R. You said this was the question that I accidentally deleted. You said, how do you balance trading with other financial responsibilities? Well, trading is something I can do anywhere, anytime. I have the software, it's on my phone. Most of you can't use any of your indicators on your phone because, it's MT4. I have the software on my phone. I have the software on my PC. I have a laptop. I can take my laptop anywhere I want. I can take my phone anywhere I want. If I see an opportunity, I can take it on my phone, no matter what I'm doing, even if I'm traveling. Sometimes I travel with my full PC. So with other financial responsibilities, so how do you balance trading? It's not that hard, unless I don't understand your question, and you can just add more context to it in the comment section, in the chat section. Hello, sir. Hello, Headbeast. Yes, remember you can click join on YouTube and become a member of the channel just to show support. The cheapest one is I think $5 or 4.99. Just join to show support. Make sure to like, make sure to share, and make sure to click the reactions also. It also helps the channel so that we can have more people asking more questions, so that you can learn from even this short, quick live stream analysis that we do. Sir, today open trade. We'll see. We just started looking at Euro USD. We'll get into GBP USD very soon. XAUUSD again, gold. He said, what are the advantages of trading gold online? Do you trade gold offline? Yeah, okay, yeah, you can. Trading gold, you can make a lot of money. You can make a lot of pips, okay? Because gold, for example, if you look at USDJPY, GBPJPY, which are considered like pairs that give a lot of pips, they give between maybe 120 to 300 pips. They can have that in a day. Gold can have up to 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Okay, so if you can get a little bit of that, or if you can get gold, for example, if you have $100 account, you can use a very small lot size to trade gold if you are looking at the long-term target. Because imagine using 0.1 lots and grabbing about 5,000 pips. That is very low risk that you would have had on your account with very high results. So yeah, like I said, it's the pip advantage. However, if you're wrong, this is why you need to learn how to hedge so that you can have all the advantages without the disadvantages. They said sell. Sell what? Another person says sell on gold. Are you guys saying the same thing? I doubt it. Like I said, if you want free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me on the Telegram link in the description below. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. If you want to learn the hedging and you want the free hedging course, message me hedging on Telegram link in the description below. You said, sir, what about GER40? You guys are trading stocks, okay? Do you know what GER40 is? It's a combination of about 40 stocks joined together. One stock may be buying, one stock may be selling. It's just a bunch of, and you guys are trading it. I could do analysis on NAS or US30. I don't even know US 100 or NAS 100 or whatever you guys trade. I can do analysis on that, but I don't like doing it because it's just a waste of time. You're trading what you shouldn't be trading. You know, he said AUD USD, please. Okay, let's add AUD USD. This will be the last comment. And not last comment, like last comment I'll read before I'll read, and then we'll go back and do GBP USD analysis. Once we do the GBP USD analysis, then we'll come back on the channel. All right, GBP on the chat, and I'll reply some of the comments. All right. Let's see. And by the way, let's see. Thank you for being a member, Harvey Sanchez. Others can be a member also. It's not that hard. Just click the join button on YouTube and show support for these free courses, analysis, signals that I give. Okay, so yeah, let's look at GBP USD and we'll be right back with the charts. Let's see. 1 minute. Hey, 1 minute. All right, where were we? One minute. Hey, 1 minute. All right, GBP USD, same thing with Euro USD. Bullish, we're having a bullish bias in the market. However, is there an opportunity? Yes, there is, but it's kind of high risk. And knowing GBP USD, it tends to spike a lot. So when you're setting your exits, if you decide to take this trade, like I said, it is a high risk because GBP USD spikes a lot. Currently, we're kind of in a consolidation on GBP USD. Okay, gotta put that out there. Okay, all right. And it's possible we could take a buy even right now because the bias is still bullish on GBP USD. We could buy all the way right to 1.315. You could set your exit outside the zone of the consolidation, just a bit outside for about 35 pips risk. And you're going for about, let's see, 170 pips profit. So your risk reward ratio is about 5. To be on the safe side, you could set your exits a bit higher out. So let's say up the way to 1.2925. And then you still have almost about the 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay. If it gets to about 1.305, you could take some profits there and just exit out the trade. But like I said, I don't trade GBP pairs because they are too volatile. Okay, too volatile. Okay. Hope you guys can hear me well, by the way. La 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 la. Alrighty, so where were we? Like I said, this is a high risk trade. Do not take this trade unless you are trading your profits. And look at the exits. The exits has a very high exit. For me, it's high. Even though I hedge, it's still a large exit. So let's move on to USDJPY, and then we'll go on into the charts. Let's see. USDJPY. USDJPY. Oof, yes. USDJPY were in a consolidation before. What did we have? Push up, push down. But it was like a bearish consolidation, then it became a little bullish. Then when news came, food traders into taking buys. This is why I said that there was no trade on it. You could just sit down and watch, because I knew that the market was setting a trap. Okay, once I see that the market is setting a trap, and what I teach my students also to identify is you just do nothing. You let the market trap dumb money, and once the market is done trapping dumb money, then you swoop in and look for where you can take some profits. Okay, now it's showing signs of consolidation again. We can see push up, push down. It's refusing to go back into the previous consolidation. So what is it doing? It's still trying to fool traders. If the market continues to go bearish, which is what I predict would happen, okay, then we'll possibly be able to have a very good sell trade on our hands. However, we need to wait for that consolidation. We need to wait for that confirmation. Okay, we need to wait for that confirmation. Can't do anything without confirmation unless you're taking a risk and you're gambling. And if you not want to gamble or take risk, then you should know how to hedge, which is why I have the hedging course to help everyone. Okay, I could see it continuing to go all the way down. 155.5. 155.5. Let's see. Yeah. And that's about how many pips away? What's the profit potential? Let's see. We got about 150 to 200 pips we could eat from USDJPY. Something tells me we have to wait till tomorrow to be able to get our entry on this. However, for now we are bearish long term and short term on USDJPY, unless there's news that comes out and changes the whole dynamics. But like I said, for now we are looking at a bearish market on USDJPY. How do I manage stress trading? By using a working system, so I don't always have to be panicking. You said, hey Solomon, it's been long. Hello, the King Banks. Thank you for your comments during our last live stream. Yes, I am back. The market, I'm done with a lot of things that I was doing on the side, and yeah, now we can start having good live streams. Okay, I'm trying to make it like a the live streams like three times a week, but we'll see how it goes. What is my aim in life? My aim in life is to make $1 million, pounds or euros a month or more. It's let's see, BTC buy, sell or buy. Please check, sir. We'll check it. We have EURUSD, which we have done. We have GBPJPY, which we have done. We have USDJPY, EUROJPY, GBPAUD, AUDUSD, XAUUSD, and then we'll look at Bitcoin. You said VIP group available. Yes, You can join for 3 months to 12 months for free by messaging me trial on Telegram, and I'll give you the instructions on how to join. See, or you can just go to the website and get it straight up and join immediately. Um, let's see here. Okay, you can go to the website hedgingmastermind.com/signals. How do you determine the strength of a trend? My software does the analysis, tells me both long term, short term. So if I see that long term, for example, if I see the long term, the market is bullish, well, and short term, the market is bullish, you know, that just makes a lot of sense that it's a very, very strong trend. Okay, but once you're saying short term, the market is bearish, long term, the market is bullish, there are conflicts in the market. Okay, the trend may change soon. It's trying to fool traders. We may be in a consolidation, opposing things like that. And that's why you need to get the software. Like I said, it comes free with the course, the hedging course, the normal courses, any course you get, it comes free with it. It said GBPUSD sell. No, I just did the analysis. We're looking at GBPUSD as bullish for now, unless maybe news comes and wipes everything away. But we need to see how it works, and it's kind of risky if you take the trade. Even if you're using hedging or stop loss, the risk is always very high with GBP because GBP can be very, very volatile. Okay. It said how to join my group. Message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. It said how to hedge. It said, let's see. One minute. It said how to hedge. If you want to learn how to hedge, message me hedging on Telegram, link in the description below, or go to hedgingmastermind.com and you can just buy the course straight up. Like I said, if you message me hedging on Telegram, link in the description below, you can get the hedging course for free, and I'll tell you how. You said AUDJPY buy. Okay, we will do AUDJPY analysis. I already added it to the list. You said, what role does technology play in modern, trading? For example, if you look at my software, it's an AI. It does all the analysis itself. I don't need to come into the market to start spending hours looking at the market, looking at the analysis, guessing what is happening. Some people, they'll see something and say, oh, it looks like my signal, or it feels like my signal, or it looks very similar, or whatever. So I'm gonna no, with my software, if it's a buy, it tells you it's a buy. If it's a sell, it tells you it's a sell. It's looking at every single tick, not pip, tick. And I don't know if you guys know what a tick is. A tick is smaller, it moves faster. You can have multiple ticks in 1 second. It calculates every single tick in the market and is reading analysis from that straight direct from the market. Okay, it's telling me the market trend, long term, short term, everything in just a few seconds, faster than any human brain could work. It's telling me when to buy, where to sell, showing me a lot, telling me when there's a possible move. But even when there's a trade, it tells me where to set my take profit, where to exit, where the trend is, okay, where to hedge. You have all these things at your hand. How can you lose? So technology gives you confirmation, allows you to do everything accurately, removes fear, removes delusion, and gives you more confidence. Just do it with the right technology. Okay, so weekly, how many trade open for you? It depends. If I'm scalping, it could even be 100. Okay, if it's swing trading, it's probably a couple, and it also depends on the market conditions. For example, when summer market conditions, so obviously the market is a bit slower, but as summer is going, you start to see we might even be able to have up to, let's say, okay, you said USD 30 please this week. All right, so let's get back into the charts with the trading charts. We've already spoken a lot in the comments and live chat comments. I'll be once we're done with some analysis. Hi. Yeah, so let's not get distracted a little bit too much. Let's get back with some analysis on GBPJPY. Okay, just one more comment. Someone said GBPNZD. Okay, so let me tell you what the list is again. We're on going to GBPJPY, EURUSD, GBPAUD, AUDUSD, AUDJPY, US30, GBPNZD, and XAUUSD. Then we'll go to BTC. That's GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY. Oh, all right. So in GBPJPY, we're looking at the analysis before. We said we're in a consolidation, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up, push down. Then I said if it escapes this consolidation bullish, we will reach this point, to which we did. And when there was news, it came all the way down to this point where I said if we go bearish outside this consolidation with it, and it touched exactly that point. And what happened? It pulled back into the consolidation zone like a magnet. So what are we seeing again? Continuation of the consolidation zone. I know it's not that push back, pull back, but I just want to summarize it. So what do I expect? I expect a push up. Okay, I expect a push up. However, this whole zone is very unsafe right now. So anyone trying to trade this, you are just falling into the market makers traps, okay? Because they want you to take trades on this. Everything on GBPJPY is a trap right now until we break out of this 208 zone and this 204 zone, 400 pips massacre zone. Okay, so until we break out of this zone, I would totally avoid GBPJPY. Everything has been set for a trap. I believe the consolidation is just going to continue, but however, to be on the safe side, I would wait till we get out of this zone, either bullish or bearish. Okay, so let's just move on to EURUSD quickly before we get back into the charts. EURUSD. All right, let's do two analysis before we come back to the chat comments. Let's see. EURUSD, same situation as GBPJPY. We haven't done EURUSD in a while, but if we did EURUSD, we would see that it was still the same thing as GBPJPY. They're usually kind of the same. Okay, we had a push up, push down, push up, push her up, push it down, push it up, and push her down, push her up, and push her down. And then what did we see happen? We didn't do the analysis on EURUSD, so we don't know what was going on at that time, but I would assume we would have just given it the same analysis, would have gotten right at this zone, and then news came and pushed us right all the way down here. So same thing with GBPJPY, rejecting that zone, right? Rejecting that zone. Sorry, I mean same thing with USDJPY. It's kind of rejecting that zone, that consolidation zone. So what do we see now? Now it's consolidating in a different zone. Unlike GBPJPY, not this whole news area. This whole news area isn't like an avoid zone. However, we need to notice that we are in a consolidation. We're in a consolidation. So what does that mean? We need to look to exit this consolidation zone before we start seeing trades. I believe because most of what I see in the market today, we haven't really done half of the pairs, but we've done quite a lot. We've done Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and now Euro JPY. Most of them are looking like they are setting up traps for people. That's why we have to wait till tomorrow for more confirmation from the market. And it's tomorrow we'll see what opportunities there are really in the market and how much profit we can make from this. Okay, so let's see. It's possible to look for a sell on Euro JPY. Euro JPY is currently bearish both long term and short term for now. But we need to wait. We need to wait till tomorrow. I want to see if the trend is going to continue bearish. Okay. So what is next on our list? GBP AUD. Okay. But before that, let's go into the comment section. But before that, Bossy Bang Bakaju, Bossy Bang Bakaju, Bossy Bang Bakaju. Let's see. So today order open. What order? Yeah, we're looking at an order for gold. We haven't gotten to gold yet. Next, we're going to GBP AUD, then AUD USD, then S30. Then actually, let's do GBP NZD before we do US30. Then GBP NZD, then US30, then XAUUSD, and then BTC. Okay, Bitcoin. So you said, what are the most important factors to consider when starting to trade gold? That you could lose a lot, especially if you don't know how to hedge. If you don't know how to hedge, as much as you could make 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 pips in a day trading gold, you could also lose 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 pips in a day. Now, if you know how to hedge, this should not be a problem. Okay, so don't think, oh, you're just coming in here to take all the profits and everyone is not smart for trading normal pairs that have, like, for example, EURUSD, which has like on average 30 to 70 pips a day. You know, you have to know that the risk as much as the rewards. Okay, that's why I keep on saying you'll never be successful with stop loss. You will only be trapped. When you're hedging, you'll be able to do whatever you want whenever you want, and even take risk, gamble on your trades, still come out clean. Okay, so you said I saw a NAS 100 sell trend or buy. Okay, let's just add NAS 100. You are trading 100 stocks combined together. I still don't understand why you guys do this, but if that's what you want to do, no problem. I don't know why you guys do that. You're trading or combining USDJPY, EURUJPY, GBPJPY, AUDJPY, combine them together, and I'm trying to trade it. But you said VIP group, how to join? Message me Telegram or Message me trial on Telegram, link in description below, or you can go to hedgingmastermind.com/signals. So if you message me trial on Telegram, you have the possibility to get the signals for free for 3 months to 12 months. And if you just want to buy it and pay for it, message me, go to hedgingmastermind.com/VIP signals. Okay. You said you message me on Telegram. Okay, I will reply to your Telegram message after the stream. Okay. I get a lot of messages and I just tend to reply on every single one of them at once. All right. You said, how do I use relative strength index in your trading? I used to use that nonsense before, but then I realized it's nonsense and it doesn't matter and it doesn't work. Okay, so it just makes you feel good about not knowing what to do. You know, it gives you a sense of direction, but actually it's just bullshit. It doesn't work. You are dealing with the currency of a country. Okay, will you go outside and go to the market and tell them you are using relative strength index to buy your goods in their store? They will kick you out. So why are you doing it with your own trading accounts? You're just financially abusing your trading accounts. This is why I always tell people the best way to learn how to trade is remove all your indicators and look at only the charts. You will get better way faster than you could with indicators. Indicators only help you build bad habits that will be hard for you to lose later on in the future, which is very sad because you might find a working strategy, but now because you're so used to panicking because you don't know if your trade go good or right, you start closing your trades early when it's going good. You start closing your trades early when it's going bad. You don't know what to do. You have a working strategy, but you don't have the discipline to be able to use it to make money, which is usually a sad case. That happens to people who use support and resistance, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. Those people, they suffer from it the most because it brings so much trauma from all the losses you've gotten from expecting a rainbow colored line to tell you how to make money. You said you're from India. You're from India. Where am I from? The internet. What are the most macroeconomic factors affecting gold? War. War. He said, hello, sir. Hello, Mr. R. Gold buy, we'll get into it. You said your analysis is better. That's why you have to share my videos, share my live stream. Let other people also enjoy it also. Okay, don't be selfish with my streams. Share it to others also. He said, hello, rich man. Hello, also potential rich man, if you follow my instructions. How do I stay calm during a volatile market condition? Because I already know that it's a trap and I already know to avoid traps. So why would I be in that situation in the first place? Unless maybe I held a trade and it came into a position where I'm still holding the trade and news comes and it's volatile, then I already have my exit strategy for every single trade I take. Every single trade I take, I don't trade it thinking that, oh, this trade will go my way. Funny enough, it's traders who don't have a winning strategy that do that. I am always open to that. No matter what happens, if I take a buy, if the market is bullish, it has been bullish for 7 years, there's a possibility that that day might become bearish. Anything can always happen in the market. So I'm not panicking, but before I enter a trade, I always have my exit strategy. If it goes bad for me, I just hedge it out. I don't enter any single trade without an exit strategy. Never. I never enter a trade without an exit strategy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells and click all notifications so you don't miss free live streams like this or videos. Remember, like I said, I have a video that's going to be uploaded in the next 22 hours, 20 minutes, and I'll appreciate if you watch that video also. Like, share, comment, and click all the notification bells. And also so you don't miss shorts or anything I upload in the channel. But I'm going to start getting creative. I'm going to start trying out new and different content, and I want to see how it goes. Okay, so show support, share everything that you can share, and let's get more people on this channel. Let's see. I was thinking about doing reaction videos. However, I don't want to have copyright issues sooner or later. Card GPY checks. I am selling card GPY. Okay, you know what? Where are we? We're on Euro JPY. I would do card JPY not. Okay, let's do card JPY. Card JPY. Okay, there you are. There you are. Don't hide from me, card JPY. How dare you hide? Card JPY sending us everything. We were concerned. No, not really. Actually, card JPY was bullish. Very, very bullish till news came. It wasn't really consolidating. It has been bullish for a long time. If you had my software, you can see short term, long term. In fact, if you had my software with card JPY, from this moment, it has been bullish. So that means if you just randomly bought from here without knowing how to trade, by just simply looking at my software, the moment it said card JPY was bullish, you could have made so much profit just buying almost 400 pips. Just not even knowing how to trade, just using my software and the software telling you that it is bullish right now. Okay, look at the bullish trend until we got to news, and news wiped everything away. So if you were not taking profits, this is why I always say take 10% profit, 20% profit, 30%. Even on my swing trade accounts, as you can see, the one I always live stream, as the money is going higher and higher, I'm taking partial profit. I'm taking partial profit. For some of you, it may look like the profit is always the same, but behind the scenes, I've always been taking part profit and uploading it. So this is why you have to have your notification bells on so that you can actually see what I'm doing when I'm taking profit. Every single thing I'm doing. Before I take a trade, I always do the free analysis here. Okay, so what the market did with news is it wiped away every single profit that has been made in the market, and it put us in that position. Same thing with all the other JPY pairs. Let's see, we're kind of consolidating, tight consolidation. However, I believe by tomorrow we will be set free from those consolidations. Okay, I actually have a good potential here with card JPY. We may be able to trigger sell trades today. However, I would say to be on the safe side, it will be always best to wait till tomorrow. We could have something like this. So 144. 2 to 1 is to reward ratio, not really good. Exit strategy of about 60 to 70 pips, not really good. I would say it has a bad risk reward ratio. Normally with foreign exchange pairs, I usually go for minimum 3 to 1 risk reward ratio, even though I can hedge. But you said you're selling. If you're selling, you're kind of on the safe side. Just don't let it go out of this point, because if it goes out of this, let's say 117 points, right, then it would be unsafe. In fact, I would say then you should not be selling again. Okay, if you're still selling once it passes 117, then you're kind of dumb. You know, take some profits right now. I expect the market to continue to go all the way down to 114 unless we have some changes, and if there are some changes, I will surely do a stream tomorrow. If there are no changes by London session, I will do my next stream on Wednesday. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Click all the notification bells on so you don't miss it. Okay, as you're bearish right now, continue staying bearish. Take some profits. You still have the potential almost 200 pips more profits to make. Okay, you're welcome. Let's see. I said, hello, sir. Good analysis. You're welcome. It says, do you trade CFDs? No, I do not. I can help you do analysis on it though. He said, hi, BTC sell. We haven't gotten into BTC yet. We still have GBP AUD, AUD USD, AUD JPY, GBP NZD, US 30, NAS 100, XAUUSD, and then BTC. You said, how do I use, let's see, let the comment pop up. How do I use Elliott wave theory in your gold trading? Don't use it. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. If you, like I said, if you're doing something that you can't confidently go to the market to do, or confidently tell someone you're doing with the currency of a country, and the only way you can do it is maybe with some traders who are losing, or only okay, show me one person with 3 months consistent results using Elliott wave, then we'll come back to that discussion. Please reply. I just replied. Okay, so our creation says how to make a lot of money by doing the right thing, trading, and using the right strategy that works, and also not taking a lot of losses in the market when you're trading, because a lot of you use stop loss, and I have been begging you to use hedging. I've even given out a free hedging course. All you have to do is follow the instruction, message me hedging on Telegram, and I'll tell you what instructions to follow, and you get a free hedging course with the software. Okay. Thank you. I'm a big fan of my people that engage on the channel, also my supporters. Like I said, if you want to show support to the channel, click join on Telegram. It's less than $5 to show support, and yeah, help support the channel to continue to grow, as YouTube will continue to see that, and continue to share it with other people. Can you help? However, what you can do is you can just go online, set up a business, and open a business account. Okay, for business accounts in the UK and in some other countries in Europe. Do that, and I'll be able to help you get an account. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Potentially. What is your opinion on the impact of the gold mining and prices, technological advances? I just trade gold and I buy gold. That's all. Like, buy real gold, and I trade gold on brokers. That's all. I'm not so deep into all this. I'm just here to make my money through trading. Okay. All this won't help you when you're trading. Hi, Lord King. Hello. Let's comment. Guys, comment. Make sure to comment, even if it's just random things. It helps with the channel, and make sure to do the reactions also. Razar, you said you joined the VIP group. Congratulations, we're happy to welcome you there. You said, how do you analyze the correlation between gold and other assets? It's not that deep for me. I don't do all those. How does it help you win trades? How? If you can tell me how it helps you win trades, I will join you in doing that kind of analysis. Let's see. You said it's highest profit. How much? I won't tell you. Okay. However, my highest profit, I usually had to split the profits, because when I have very, very large accounts, it's usually a combination of people's funds, and I'm just mostly managing it. Done that already. Let's see. Let's see. So, all right, let's get back into the charts. We've been chatting for a while. Let's see. So what is next on the list? GBPAUD. Do I have GBPAUD on my list? Or let's see. GBPAUD. Okay, we don't have GBPAUD on the list because we rarely look at that. I don't even know why people are trading GBPAUD, but good for you. Let's see. GBP, AUD, GBP, AUD. As you can see, as you can see, GBP, AUD is going bullish right now, both long term and short term. I expect GBP, AUD to continue to go bullish up till it's kind of in a tiny consolidation, not really a great one. Same thing with GBP, USD, right? So what I would say is I expect GBP AUD to continue to go bullish. So if you were buying, keep on holding your trade, take some profit right now. If you were selling, start screaming and looking for an exit. I expect it to go all the way to 1.93. Okay, long term. For today, I could see it going all the way to 1.92 or a bit outside that zone if it's able to break out of that consolidation. If not, and it breaks the low of today, then I expect it to drop all the way down. All right, so whatever you're doing with GBP AUD, I hope my analysis helps and you can decide what to do next in your trade with that information that you just got. So let's look what is next on our list. AUD USD. AUD USD, baby. AUD USD. Let's look at what is happening on AUD USD. AUD USDT. AUD USD. AUD USDT. USD. AUD USDT. USDT. USD. All right. AUD USD is bullish. Long term, short term, it has been bullish for a very long time, for a couple days now. However, it looks like it's in the consolidation. Looks like it's just been going from, let's see, we had a push up consolidation for a few days, push up again, then consolidation. News really affected a lot of things. I still believe it's going to continue to go bullish. However, I believe we are in a consolidation of prices. And what do I mean by consolidation of prices? That means we're in a consolidation between prices. That is 0.68 and 0.675. Okay, so for example, for people who travel a lot, and when they exchange money, they know that there are periods in the markets where the market has like a stable amount. Like for example, if you're exchanging dollars for Turkish lira, at one point it could be $10, it could be 10.5, $10 for a while, right? Then you come back a few days later, it's $11, but it was at around that $10 for a couple hours. So people who are traveling, you're looking at this in real life, in real time on the charts. Consolidation is not a bad thing. It's a good thing in the real world. It's only if you're a trader that it's a bad thing, because what we need is movement in the market for us to be able to make money. Now, what I'm seeing in this consolidation of prices is obviously, well, do we see consolidations push up, push down, push up, push consolidation? Market is still bullish. So I expect at some point we're going to break out of 0.68, right? And if we break out of 0.68, I expect us to go to 0.685 without a doubt. If not, like I said, we have to wait till tomorrow for most pairs. We could have a false breakout. However, I would want to see the false breakout break below the previous consolidation before I can decide that, oh, we are fully bearish. So if we're in a trade right now, the best thing to do is just sit and watch. Okay, because if we take a trade right now, we are gambling at high risk. Okay, if you're on a buy, keep on buying AUD USD. However, take some profits now, probably leave the rest at break even. But be cautious that we might have a false breakout. And if you want to know if it's no longer a false breakout but a true bearish breakout, we need to see it break below the previous consolidation. My best bet is on AUD USD. However, I'll continue to go bullish. And what do we have next? AUD JPY. AUDJPY, AUDJPY, AUDJJJJPY. AUD, let's see. Testing my trading strategy by going live, testing it with live trades. Like I said, it's always better to practice on a $10 live account, especially with psychology, than for you to practice with that $10 is real money. Even though it's small, it still knows that it's real money. And your real decisions, your real emotions will come out once you are trading real. Okay, so when I'm back testing, I use live funds to back test, so I won't be delusional about my results. Okay, hope that answered your question properly, Taylor, and thank you for the comments. He said, sir, okay, sir, what is best? MT4 or MT5, they are both good. Okay, they are both good. There's nothing you can't really do on MT5 that you can. There's nothing you can do on MT5 that you can't really do on MT4. Okay. And you see a lot of people are saying MT4 is the best. Okay, you're currently using MT4, and I see people saying MT4 is the best. MT4 is the best. Use whatever you feel is the best. You're not really missing out. Okay, I don't really know anything you can do on MT5 that you can't do on MT4. It's just an updated, better looking platform. So some people are saying MT4 is best. MT4 is best. Let's see. One minute. Wait, was I on mute for a while? How long have I been on mute? out for 0.68. Was I on mute? I was on mute for about almost almost 2 minutes. Wow. Okay, let me answer the I missed. How do I handle news-driven price spikes in gold? Okay, let me answer the I missed. Okay. How do I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't on mute again. Okay, how do I handle? I think I been in that position in the first place because I don't even trade news. Let me get some water. I'll be right back. All right, AUD same thing we saw with EURUSD, GBPJPY, USDJPY is the same thing we're saying with AUDJPY. I'm just repeating the same analysis all over and over again. So let's see. Actually, if you go back to our GBPJPY analysis, GBPJPY analysis is the same thing as what we are saying in AUDJPY. All right, so I expect a bearish move. Right now, both long term and short term, we are bearish. However, I'm expecting the move, if it continues tomorrow, then we'll have a long term analysis to look at where we can actually look for a trade. I'll be looking for sells. Let's see, and I'll be targeting 105.25. Right, exit to somewhere be around here. So we're gonna have a very good high risk reward trade if well, actually let's let's look at this. Nope, because we're looking at GBPJPY. We're looking at the JPY pair. So yeah, not really hard. I would just avoid AUDJPY. But if you're already on the trade, I would say it's bearish. We need to come back tomorrow to have a look at it all over again. I would say the best way to wait is to wait for a trigger tomorrow, and then we'll be able to jump in. So we have a lot of opportunities that we could see and make money from in the market. However, we always have to wait for confirmation in the market. We always have to wait for confirmation in the market. Let me switch on my camera, bring it back on. No, I've made some music personally before. I've made some music personally before, but it's not like you said. I should sing the song. What song? What song are you talking about? Try to try to add some context in some of the things that you're sending. You know, so I understand. I know what you're speaking about. You said, please sing the song. What song? Another person is saying that. What song are you talking about? Anyways, Asian Creative is commenting, laughing. Is that because you're on one of the trades that I just did an analysis on? Let me see something. Let me see. Let me see. Why is then this comment showing? I will be bringing back the charts. I don't know why it went off. Okay. Anyway, so what was the last comment? Let me see. Asian Creative, every time I try to talk, it lags. Asian Creative, every time I try to talk, it lags. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What is next on our list? Time I use this. Let's see. Let me close this. Let me close this. Time I use this. Okay, that should be better now. What is your opinion on relationship between gold and silver prices? I should have closed that since. I just trade gold to make profits. All these other things is not gonna help you make profits in the market. So I don't know why you guys always look at it. Hello, gold. Look, you see how smooth it is now. Anyways, now I know, and the next stream, the lagging will happen. How do you adjust your trading strategy based on markets? On markets conditions. You always have to. That's the thing. You always have to adjust. You always have to adjust. I'm not changing my strategy. I'm just changing the approach. For example, if it's 3 to 1, I know I'm going to adapt to it. I know I'm going to set my exits. I know I'm going to hedge out of that trade. You have to have a working system. Okay, if the trade goes good for you, if the trade goes bad for you, you have to have a working system, and you know it works because you need to see it work, and you need to have that consistency seeing it work multiple times. Okay, so you should always be doing that. always, with every single trade you do. So I have a working system, and I use that working system to help me out in adapting and changing those situations. And I have my software also, so if there's any change in the market, my software will always be able to tell me and do an analysis for me based on that change. GBP NZD, I don't know if the person that put it there was buying or selling, but as you can see clearly, I've even done GBP and NZD analysis before. We're in a consolidation. What did I say about that consolidation? We needed to escape this zone. It escaped that zone, and we've been riding the bullish wave all the way through. Hope I was able to help you the last time I did GBP and NZD analysis for you. Yeah. Now, so where are we? We're still bullish on the market. I expect it to continue to go all the way to 2.15. Do I have a good trade for this? No, because we need a high reward, low risk trade. And if we take this, it's just going to be around 1-to-1 trade. It's not even 2-to-1. Okay, so just continue buying. Tomorrow we may be able to find an entry. If I go live tomorrow, ask about GBP NZD again, and we'll see if we have a signal entry for this also. Now, what is next? You said GBPJPY buy, sell or buy. We've done GBPJPY analysis already. Right now, we need to move on to US 30. Okay, US 30. I don't know, guys. If I am not on the correct US 30, just let me know. I don't usually trade US 30. Which one is it? Is it Black Bull? Is it Capital Com? Is it Pepperstone? Let's see if they are different. Let's see if they are different. Let me know, guys. Let me know. I don't usually trade US 30. They seem the same. They seem the same. They seem the same. They seem the same. So let's just look at this. US 30. Currently, we're bullish. I mean, that's quite obvious, but we've been bullish for a while. We've been bullish for a couple days. I see there was a consolidation somewhere around here. However, we've escaped that consolidation. US 30. Okay. US 30 is bullish. I expect it to continue to go bullish all the way to 40,000, or let's just say 41,000. Okay, I expect it to continue to go bullish all the way to 41,000. Okay, now if it breaks the low of today, just today, then I would expect US 30 to start dropping all the way down back to the high of this consolidation. Okay, I don't trade US 30. I'm not giving you a signal on US 30. I'm just giving you analysis. Do whatever you want to do with US 30. I always tell people not to trade it. You know, they are just baiting you into trading what you don't understand because of pips. If you want plenty pips, trade gold. You don't need to trade US 30. But some of you are not going to listen, and that's not my issue. If, for example, if you want to hedge out this US, it's possible to hedge it out, but you know, it's going to wipe out your account before you even have the ability to do anything. Anyways, let's move on to NAS 100. Let me look at some comments first. It's a gold analysis. After NAS 100, we will be doing gold analysis and then BTC USD. What I want you to do for now is, if you can join, right? Join. Oh, you said good analysis, not gold. I'm used to saying gold so many times. Okay, super to you too. Also, he said, what is your view on the long-term stability on gold prices? When we get to gold, I'll let you know. How do I use historical data in my gold trading analysis? It's not just only gold. In every analysis I do, I use historical data because it helps me understand how the market moves. For example, like I said, GBPU moves in a way that spikes all the time. How do I know this? Because we have looked at the historical analysis. When you look at the historical analysis, the market does the same thing all the time, but does it in a different way. So the way USDJPY moves is not the same way gold or GBPJPY would move. They all do the same thing, but they move in a different way. It's just like you have all fishes in the sea. You have a shark, it's still swimming in the sea, the ocean, or whatever is swimming, but it swims in a certain way. You have a lobster, it moves in a different certain way. They are all in the sea, the ocean. You have a whale, you have a tortoise, they're all doing the same thing, swimming, but they are doing it in a different way. That's just how it is. So if you know how they move, okay, for example, you see something crawling, you know that it's a fish that crawls. You see something swimming, you see something gigantic, you know it's a whale. You just have to spend time with them, and the only way you can do that is by gaining experience, and you'll be able to predict how it's going to move next time. Okay, so nice. Thank you. You said please gold. We'll get to gold right after this. Make sure to keep on commenting to show support. Like, share, and subscribe, and click all the notification bells on. You said you are selling on gold 2371. We are buying. We are bullish on gold. We've been bullish on gold, and we've been doing this analysis multiple times. Unless you're not watching the analysis videos or you're not coming on these live streams, then you're the one that missed out on it, and well, you just have to suffer your losses. Everything I'm doing is free, and you decided not to take it. Wow. So don't do that next time, for your own account's sake and safety from you. You said gold buy, we'll do gold analysis. What is your approach during an economy? I've been predicting this economic recession for years. Okay, getting the accuracy almost to the T every single time. So if you're asking for that right now, it's kind of already late. But my approach is to always stay prepared and know way, way, way before it comes. What is my approach? One minute, guys. I'm just checking some things, and then we'll come back to NAS 30. Make sure to continue keep on commenting, liking, and sharing. That's the most important thing. One minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, so where were we? NAS 100. Good analysis. Is free, and you can also pay for it by going to hedgingmastermind.com/VIP signals. If you want it for free for 3 months to 12 months, message me, try on a Telegram, link in description below. I do not use Bollinger Bands, it's useless. Sir, you indicated use. I add more context. I don't understand what you mean. What is your opinion on gold in a diversified portfolio? It's good if you know what you're doing. Sir, AUDJPY check, sir. I've checked that already. Rewind. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the comments. Signal sent, sir. How do you handle psychological pressure while trading? I do not have an XAUUSD sell order open. I had a buy order open. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click all the notification bells on. And yeah, thank you for the comments. BTC next move. We'll do that after we do XAUUSD, which is next. You said gold. We'll do gold next, so we'll find out. You said GBPJPY sell. I never said that. We'll find out tomorrow. I have done the analysis on GBPJPY, so just rewind, go back and check it. How do I determine the direction of the gold market? By using my system and my software. You can DM me on Telegram, link in description below. Good analysis, thank you. You say, what is my favorite technical indicator for gold trading? I don't use that. I use my software. So my software is my favorite thing. You said, hello, gold man. We'll get to gold right after NAS 100. You said XAUUSD buy. Yes, we were looking at buys last week. We'll see what we have right now. You said BTC sell. We'll look at BTC after gold. You said GBPJPY analysis. We've done that already. You say, how do you manage your trading account balance? By using proper risk management and a good working strategy that I've seen work over and over and over, and with accuracy. You said USDJPY analysis. We've done USDJPY analysis. Just rewind. NAS is bullish. Okay, even though it had this spike down during news, we are still seeing it bullish. Long term, it has been bullish for a while. As you can see with my software, it has been bullish since the 5th of June, which is last month, long term, and it is still bullish. This is why you have to have the software. It comes free with the courses, whether the free course or the paid course, it doesn't matter, it comes free with it. Where are we? Yeah, so I expect it to continue to go bullish all the way to 21,000. Why are they always having 21,000, 41,000 on these pairs? Long term, and yeah, if you're buying, keep buying. If you're selling, just exit right now while you're still safe. Tomorrow it may change, but we're talking about right now. If I do an analysis, which I do usually during New York session during this period, tomorrow, then yeah, we'll see what the market has for us. But yeah, if I start seeing changes in the market tomorrow, then surely we'll do analysis tomorrow. If not, we'll have to wait till Wednesday for the next live stream analysis during New York session. We have less than 50 minutes left on this live stream, so let's just get into it. So yeah, that's it. Now let's move on into what everyone has been waiting for, which is XAUUSD, which is gold. Gold, the last time I gave my analysis, I even gave an entry and I said that gold will be bullish. It has basically hit that take profits. If you entered early, it was a 2.5 risk to reward ratio. You should have made at least 1,630 pips from this trade. If you entered late, you should have made at least 2,035 pips from this trade, and it was a 4 risk to reward ratio. You would have risked only Let's see, 145 pips. Actually, it's let's see, yeah, you would have raised only about, let's see, you have raised only about, wait, is this 1,000? Okay, you'd have raised only about 150 pips, and you were going for about 600 pips if you entered late, early, I mean. And if you entered late, you were going for about 540 pips, and you raised only about 200 pips. This reward ratio was not bad. It was actually very good for gold. And I said there was a possible re-entry, but the safest place, I could have said we should enter at 2,390, but it was kind of a high risk trade at that point. Your risk to reward ratio would have been low from that next week. But if we had entered it, then, you know, if the trigger was, if it was going to trigger on Monday instead of Friday, then we could have entered that trade. Because right now I can see that gold is going all the way up to 2,470. Okay, can expect it to go all the way to 2,470 or 2,500, but that 2,500 is kind of wishful thinking. Okay, so gold is bullish right now. I expect it to continue to go bullish, even on my live account that I've been streaming on. We're up, or we're up almost 60,000 right now. So yeah, after this stream ends, I'll continue live streaming that account, and you guys will see. So yeah, we missed the entry. The safest bet for last week would have been around 2,380. Should we have entered around 2,390? We could have, but the risk was very, very high. We're risking about 200 pips, and we didn't know how high the market would go. We would have been aiming for about, let's see, about 800 pips. Like I said, it's always best to wait. Okay, tomorrow we might have another re-entry, and if we have another re-entry, we might still be risking about 200 pips, right? However, we will be targeting about 470 pips. So it's 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. So we have to come back tomorrow to look for an entry for this, or unless the market comes back all the way to 2,400, we would be risking around 200 pips still, and going for about 710 pips. Okay, so yeah. So the best thing that could happen is if the market comes back all the way to 2,400. If not, just watch out tomorrow. Or if you're in the VIP group, if I don't come live tomorrow, if you're in the VIP group, I'll just give you guys updates. So I don't need to come live tomorrow. If you're in the VIP group, like I said, you can join the VIP group for free for 3 months to 12 months. Just message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below, and you get instructions on how to join. If you're in the VIP group and we see another entry opportunity, I'll put that in the VIP group for you guys to make profit of. So yeah, that'll be the best bet. So we have some analysis on XAUUSD. I needed to continue to go long, but I needed confirmation of how high to continue to go. So we'll be able to understand our risk to reward ratio. We'll be able to judge our entry properly and not just, jump into anything we see. And this is how you trade, when you're not desperate to make money in the markets, but you're consistently making money and consistently trading safe. And this was most especially because some of you guys use stop loss. If we're not using stop loss, we're hedging, we will not be in all this, oh, we have to do things safe scenario. Now, let's move on to BTC USD. I think that is the last on our list. Right, let's see. Let's look at some comments first. You said, what is your opinion? Let me remove this. What is your opinion on the relationship between gold and cryptocurrency? Well, they are both safe haven currencies. whenever there's an issue, like war or conflict, always expect price of gold and Bitcoin to go up. For example, we're having the elections with the US. Remember what happened yesterday with Trump, or was it the day before yesterday? And then look at the prices of Bitcoin and gold. So when people think that something bad is going to happen, they always want to put their money in a safe haven currency. So yeah, they kind of are having their own similar interests. Bitcoin is just cryptos are just the digital formats of gold. Let's see. Hello, hello, hello. How do you use average true range? I don't use that. It's the same thing with RSI. You just think it helps because it just makes you feel comforting. It's a rainbow colored indicator like all the others. They all use the same calculations. They just show you in different rainbow formats. Remember, Sir SMC concept there. I don't use that nonsense. I don't use that nonsense. Let them trade live with you using that nonsense. They are just piling up a lot of different things like support and resistance and renaming it, price action and all those nonsense and renaming it. That's what they are doing. They're not doing anything new or different. What are the key factors you consider when making a trading? I do my live trades. I do my live trades with people in person. I do my live trades by sharing it on Zoom, sharing my trading screen on Zoom. I do my live streams everywhere, live. My live trades everywhere live. Okay, I do my live trades in front of students in person. I do it in front of people by sharing my screen on Zoom. So I've always been proving my point with live trades, whether it's hedging, scalping, swinging, anything. What are key factors you consider when making a trading decision? Risk to reward ratio, exit strategy, exit point for my take profits, yeah, trend, where to exit, when to exit, things that you need to know. Account side, the risk on my trade, on risk on the account. You're welcome. XAUUSD, I just did the analysis. It said, hello, sir. How do you handle gaps in the gold market? By doing your analysis on TradingView. On TradingView, there's not really any gaps. You don't see any gaps. That's why I always say get the TradingView version of the software for the most accurate strategy, because your brokers tend to have gaps, and even if it's just a tiny gap might be the difference between what blows up your account, because a tiny gap might change your analysis to buy while the market trend is sell, and then you lose from that. And they know. That's why they don't care. That's why they enjoy those gaps. A tiny gap may change your whole analysis. Okay, like I said, if you want signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me on Telegram. If you want free hedging course, message me hedging on Telegram. Both Telegram link in description below. You said you message me on Telegram, I'll reply you after this stream. It says, sir, online course is available. Yes, I have a scalping course where I share my trading screen with you on Zoom. Whether it's for hedging, I'll take live hedging with you. Whether it's for scalping, I take live scalping trades with you. Anything. I'll use the software. I'll teach you how to use the software. You also get the software free. If you want to get the hedging course free, you can just message me hedging on Telegram. How to join, just message me on Telegram or go to hedgingmastermind.com. Link also in the description below. What is my approach to trading during holiday periods? I try to be more careful. During holiday periods in summer, and I'm talking about summer holiday periods, summer break, yeah, the market is usually much more slower. The market is usually much more slower, so I'm more careful. Yeah. And also, when you're hedging during these periods, the hedging is not usually as fast because you have low volume. So sometimes hedging takes a bit longer. So I already know all this from past experience trading. So I use my past experience approach. And that's where the past charts also come in. Also, you don't need to have the experience live. You can just look at the past charts, but you need to have a working system and strategy to follow to be able to track that. You say hello. He said, do you post signals or you go live and drop the signals? In the VIP group, I post the signals when I see the signals. For example, if I'm not live, right, like I am right now, you know, this live stream, I'm doing it for maximum 3 hours a day where I do analysis and signals and everything. The other hours, if I see a signal, I'll just put that in the VIP group. It said sell on gold. She said hello. No, I'm not selling. I just did a buy analysis. Just rewind it and watch back. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I still have like maximum, I have less than 40 minutes maximum left on this stream. And we will end it with a BTC analysis. Okay. Bitcoin is starting to show signs of being bullish. It has been showing this sign of being bullish since the time it broke 59,000. Okay, since the time it broke 59, the lowest point it came to was 52,000 or 53,500. But since it broke 59,000, it has been bullish. I expect it to continue to go bullish all the way to at least 68,000, and then from there continue to expect gold to be Bitcoin to be bullish. The moment it breaks 64,000, both long term and short term, we should be bullish on gold. If the moment it breaks 64,000, it should be aggressively bullish, aggressively. So make your profits from there and enjoy. But I've done all the analysis we have for today right now. I'm just going to put it back on gold, and I'm going to mute the stream for a while. If you follow the last gold analysis, this one you should have made at least 400 to 500 pips on this gold trade. And yeah, we have to wait till tomorrow to look for a re-entry, or Wednesday to look for another re-entry on this bullish trend on gold. And yeah, for now I'm going to mute the live, answer some questions once I see them in the chat. And yeah, in about 35 minutes we should end this stream. Okay, so keep liking, keep subscribing, keep commenting, and when you subscribe, click all notifications on, so you stay updated on everything I upload on this channel. You said, how do you use sentiment indicators in your gold trading? What is sentiment indicators? I already have my own software that tells me the market sentiment, and not just sentiment, the market bias. If it's bullish long term, if it's bullish short term, if it's bearish short term, if it's bearish long term. I use this to decide. For example, if I do my analysis and it says sell and the market is showing that the trend is bullish, it helps me decide my risk factor, so that I know that, okay, it's not just my exit I'm risking, I'm actually trading against the trend. Things like that. You think buy will happen. I've already done an analysis for buy. Okay, you just have to rewind and watch it to see the detailed analysis. You said sell. Well, good luck with that. I remember when I told people last week when there was news, the markets on gold may sell for a short period of time, but long term is bullish. Some people didn't listen; they were still selling, and look at them now. You said, what about XAUUSD? We just did that. We just did that right now. So rewind it a little bit, and you'll see the analysis on that. So, what is my long term outlook for the gold market? I just gave that. I said bullish. And I said that I believe it's going to continue to go all the way to 2,470, and probably it might go up to 2,500. Okay, right now it's bullish. I've been saying this since last week. We could not tell if it was going to continue to go bullish, but now we can see it's going to continue to go bullish. What we're looking for is an entry. We wanted to enter at 2,390, but it was too risky. So we have to wait again for another entry. It may give us the entry, it may not. If it does, I'll come. If it does tomorrow, I will definitely come live tomorrow. If it doesn't, then we'll be back on Wednesday. Okay. If I see a signal every day, I'll post it every day. Only in the VIP group. Should I buy gold? But for here, I'll only post it if I see it while we're having the live stream. If the live stream has ended and I see it, I'll post it only in the VIP group. Should I buy gold? Why are you buying gold? Do you have your rewind and watch the stream. I've done the analysis for this gold already. I'll just rewind. I've done the analysis because why are you just randomly buying? Do you know your exit strategy? Do you know where to exit? Rewind it a bit. I've done the analysis for that. Continue to ask questions. I just want to do some things on the side and I'll answer your questions surely. Okay. And then we'll end this stream in about 30 minutes. You said you are buying gold. Like I said, as long as gold does not break below 2,380, you are still safe, but make sure to take some profits. We can expect gold to go all the way to 2,470 if it continues to go bullish, and potentially 2,500. So you're on the right track. Now, if you want to enter just right now, it's kind of too late, which is what I was trying to tell the other guy. It's kind of too late. We have to be patient to wait for another entry. Okay, we have to be patient to wait for another entry, but good on you. Can I explain what XAUUSD means? XAUUSD just is a way of saying, is like a symbol for gold, just like how you have USDJPY. That's just US dollar and Japanese yen. You know, it's just like when countries are playing. If you want to say Denmark, they will probably, or you want to put Italy, you say ITA. You know, just like that. You said, do you post these signals from the stream also in the signal group for those who can't catch the stream? If there's a signal, I'll always post it in the signal group, whether it's from the stream or whatever. The stream is just free. The signals is mandatory for the VIP signal group. If I see a signal in the stream, obviously I'll post it in the VIP group. I would never not post. Every signal I have, stream or off stream, is always going to the VIP group. How to join VIP group? You can go to hedgingmastermind.com/VIP signals, or you can just message me trial on Telegram and you can gain access to it for 3 months to 12 months for free. Just message me trial, link in the description below. You said, why do you choose to trade gold instead of I trade, or you mean like in terms of silver, oil? Yeah, because gold is much more easier. Why would I want to trade something harder? All right, guys, so I will be ending this stream in the next 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be ending the stream in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So wrap up some of your questions, and yeah, we'll be ending this stream soon. Guys, I'll be ending this stream in about 2 minutes. Let me just answer some last few questions and then we'll end this stream. Where was I? Where was the last? Yeah. Yes, gold going to the moon. We've done GBPJPY analysis already. Rewind and you'll be able to catch that. I'll be ending the stream in 2 minutes anyways. You said you are selling. I think the market is a sell for GBPJPY, but it's a trap. Like I said, it's trapping traders. I wouldn't be in that trade. I would exit and look for a different pair to trade. That would be much better and safer for your account. You don't need to be desperate. You said Bitcoin analysis, you're buying Bitcoin. I did Bitcoin analysis rewind. I said it's a buy also, especially if it breaks that 64, 65, 63, 64,000 area, then it's going to be aggressively a buy. You said XAUUSD buy. Yes, XAUUSD is a buy also. All right, guys, catch you guys next time on another stream. And yeah, I'll be ending the stream in a couple minutes, and we'll be back in a few days with another analysis. Like, share, and subscribe, click the notification bells on. Make sure to watch the video that is going to be uploaded in the next about 1 hour, give or take. And make sure to comment. I always reply to every single comment on the channel, and it helps the channel. We'll be right back soon.